Good morning, traders. Risk disclaimer: all information on this video is for educational purpose only and does not intend to provide any financial advice. Any statement about profits or income expressed does not represent a guarantee. So, let's see what happened on Nifty last Friday, as well as on Bank Nifty, and what is likely to happen today. So as we mentioned, we never breached 10,000 mark, so it started scaling higher and it comfortably broke this 10,136 mark, okay, which is the level here, okay, this balance, okay. So this had been reached and it came all the way close to this VPOC mark, 10,260, okay. The high made on that day was 10,252, so just short of 5 points, okay, because it was happening around closing, okay. So this would give some sort of resistance. I mean resistance as in when the context is bullish, okay. As of now the context is bullish. Near resistance, what will happen is they will book profits, okay. As I mentioned on previous videos, when to short is when the context need to change bearish. For example, here if you see, here if you see, the context from bullish had changed to bearish. So market was keep on going bullish. Here it started turning bearish, okay. And if you see here, we will be looking only for shorts until the context change to bullish, and if we played the shorts, it would have paid off, okay. The same thing here. So you need to know where bulls will give up. As of now, only any close below 10,000, that is where bulls will give up on a higher time frame. Even few had asked what will happen on trade like this, especially see this day when context was bullish, I mean bearish. We see the price is near previous resistance zone, I mean like previous supply. See, so market tested this 400 zone VPOC, which we mentioned on the other day, okay. It opened, it dried up, and it tested this 21,400 and started resisting it out, okay. So any strong move, it need to break this high, which is 21,600, okay. For any strong bullish up move, it need to take about 21,600. For any strong bearish move to happen, it need to break 20,600, I mean 500 mark. So basically a 1,000 point range is likely to play, okay, until the next big move happens, okay. So for today, if price opens somewhere here, I will be watching how it reacts around 21,600, okay. If this rejects, okay, then I expect a profit booking again, or a kind of price rotation back to 21,300 mark, okay. If 21,200 breaks, okay, here, if 21,200 breaks this level, okay, then it can go to 21,000 and 20,800 mark, okay. So it is very important to watch how we open today. Okay, any open below 21,200, any spike towards upside, okay, then expect risk. No one trade should make or break you. Okay, so it's all about series of trades. Take care, guys. Have a great trading day. Bye. See you all.